Yo, pretty ladies around the world, got a weird thing to show you, so tell all the boys and girls. Tell your brother, your sister and your mama too, 'cause they're about to go down and you know just what to do. With your hand in the air like you don't care. Glide by the people as they start to look and stare. Do you dance? Do you dance? Do you dance? Quick, mama, come on baby, tell me what's the word. No, what up? Everybody say, when you hear the crow, you gotta get it underway. What up? It's the code word. No matter where you say it, you know that you'll be heard. Oh. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Word Up, originally by Cameo. Cameo, I'm not sure how it's pronounced.
Cameo.
Anyway, pretty cool song. After that, Korn made a cover, and I think that my generation basically knows it from the Korn cover. But anyway, let's see how to play this one. We'll be doing it in the original key on a high G string uke, so grab yours and let's go. Alright, so basically in the whole song we have just three parts. The main part, which starts with F sharp minor, and then for the rest of the chords basically we're avoiding the A string. We have E suspended 4, then removing it, and I'm trying to avoid the A string and also kind of mute it here, not really pressing the whole bar till the end. Alright, so E suspended 4 to E like this, then we have the chord of D, quicker changing to E and to F sharp. The same thing, just moved from 2nd fret, 4th fret, 6th fret. Alright? And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right, this is the verse. Yo, pretty ladies around the world, got a weird thing to show you, so tell all the boys and girls. Tell your brother, your sister and your mama too, 'cause they're about to go down and you know just what to do. Wave your hands in the air like you don't care. Glide by the people as they start to look and stare. Do you dance? Do you dance? Do you dance? Quick, mama, come on baby, tell me what's the word. Now what up? And here the main difference between the chorus and the verse is that the verse starts with F sharp minor, but the chorus doesn't. It actually starts with F sharp major and actually suspended here, right? Adding the suspended, back to F sharp, and then on the E again, suspended to E, and then we have the same thing, D to E to F sharp. So I play on the first time the F sharp, and then with the middle finger, up, 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 removing it. All right? Now what up? Everybody say, no matter where you say, what up? Is the cold word. No matter where you say it, you know that you'll be heard. And the last part that we have is basically just holding F sharp minor and doing this little pick, which is down, chuck up, and then C string, 1st fret, on the A string open to hammer on the 2nd, and then E string, right? The sun is about to go down and I'm in a forest somewhere far away that... Anyway, the point is that I gotta go. This is my tutorial for Word Up. It will be helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. And if you enjoyed learning with me, I believe that we will see each other on the next one.